So I want you to take note. What usually happens is that, have you seen this strike? This big strike. So this candle, this green candle from here up to here. Okay. So you need to notice that in between, in between, so when you count here, the strike, it went as far as there on top there. So we'll count, there's 1, there's 2. So there's also 3, then 4. So it simply means that when you count 1, 2, in between, there is 1, 2 remaining. It usually it strikes there. So in between of n. So no wonder you're seeing this strike here, because of 1, 2, 1, 2. In between, no wonder there's this strike. So this is the same principle which usually happens. For example, this candle here. So if it is striking, it is going up. You can look at it like that. M5, this is M5. So this candle in M5, in between of M5, it is here. Okay? It is here. So you need to expect the strike to happen here in between. So in between this candle in M5. So sometimes the market does the reversal. So if you want to, in case it does the reversal before it reaches in between, mostly the market does the reversal. So it is better off you open a trade from, you open the trade here, here, or there, so that by the time it reaches here, if it will strike, you're already in profit. Okay? So let us observe. So we enter, buy, then our backup, we'll put our backup here. Then we'll put buy limit, buy limit, so buy limit there in between, in between from this point at that point in between. So we have entered here. The reason why you have opened the first position, in case it does a reversal, but our very target is in between here. So when the market is approaching the in between, so what do we mean in between? Okay, the halfway, because of the the supply and demand. So it gives room for the strike. I mean, for the buyers to come in. If it is sellers, they'll give room for the sellers to come in, for the buyers to come in. So since here these have been they have been dropping with it, so we're expecting here in between here it strikes again. If it will continue again in between here, strike like that. Okay. Let us observe. We observe. So if you are looking at it in M15, the in between it is here. So even here you can put your buy limit in future. So this is what we are targeting. Let us observe. We observe. we observe. We have already opened one trade. Then we have also pressed the backup buy limit in between. The reason why we have opened the first position, the market does the reversal before it can even reach the in between. So in case it does the reversal, we have opened so that we don't miss it. Patient pays, patience pays, patience pays. This is M5. Remember, this is the in-between of M5. So we are targeting the in-between of M5. So M15, in-between of M15, it is here. In-between of M15, it is there, we target there. But what we are targeting, that is the in-between of M5. Let us observe. It is approaching the in-between. That setup. So from the time I entered, it is now negative 1.55. We are waiting, we are waiting. It is near reaching the in-between. So this is M5. Patient pays. Negative 1.85. Let us observe. Reaching in between very soon. So this is M5. No wonder it is taking a little bit of time. We are looking at it in M5 time frame. M5 time frame, which is 5 minutes. So there are 4 minutes to 5 minutes. We are waiting. So it is almost reaching our in-between. Our in-between setup. Slowly but sure waiting. Reaching our almost reaching the two yellow line, the in between two yellow line, our setup. So we are waiting for it. So once it reaches there, our buy limit order, it will be opened, which is acting as our backup. So the buy limit has opened. So have you seen? Immediately on the in-between line, it has striked. So I wanted us to, so although it has taken a little bit of time, because it is in 5 minutes. So let us change the candlestick, the chart pattern to candlestick, so that you see. So have you seen? Exactly on the line there, when you come here, we are in profit. Have you seen? So it's just that it is a small strike. If it was a big strike, it would have made huge profit. But have you seen? Immediate, exactly on the in-between line, the same line which I told you about. So have you seen this strike here? So it will strike again going up. Have you seen? Another strike. Have you seen? On the same in-between line. Have you seen those strikes? So more strikes, they will come on that same line there. So make sure that you master the in between. So this was M5 in between. M15 has got in between. Also 1 hour it has got in between n time frame. So you can just master that even in 1 minute. Okay. So if this was a big strike, have you seen? So more strikes are coming. So this is what I wanted just you to observe. See you in the next video presentation course. Bye bye.